Okay guys, just for an update of ito sa nangyayari. Nasa Dubai ako ngayon pero everything goes normal naman. So wag na lang sana nating palalain yung sa social media and sharing a false information. Tapos kasi lalong mag-aalala naman yung mga pamilya natin, pahal natin sa buhay and friends. I think it's the best way to do is get more information wherein you're getting it from a good source, hindi yung kung saan lang nanggaling. Kasi ngayon medyo ang hirap evaluate kung tamang information talaga or AI ba yung nakikita natin. So doon lang tayo maniwala sa good source. Like yeah, so Dubai is safe and sound. Dami nagja-jogging pa rin ngayon, so walang dapat ipag-alala, to be honest. Of course, nandoon yung concern of us being safety pa din, so to a necessary observation and protocols din. Pero nonetheless, I don't think Dubai or UAE government will allow its citizens to feel unsafe. So dun tayo sa part na positive lang. Hopefully tomorrow will be super normal na. Kasi today like few establishments were closed and kasama na dyan kung saan ako nag-work. So hopefully it'll be all good. Pero yeah, so let's have peace, not war. My God. Saka alam mo yun, pagka laking ano ka, laking Mindanao ka, and then laking military camp ka, you were surrounded by your military uncles. So yung gear up, parang ano mo na siya, tawag dito, hindi naman nasanay, but then it's something that doesn't pollute your brain too much. Alam mo yun? So yun lang, kung laking Mindanao ka at alam na balitaan mo may gera, you would just like say, may gera, okay, parang ganun na lang. So peace guys and be safe.